him.
Get her to roll the bed.
Show him how you roll. Show him. Show him. Said I can do it real fast now, Daddy. You better watch out. I'm a pro. But I get a little camera shy when Mommy comes around. Come on. Roll it. Roll, baby, roll. Roll. Come on. Because I'm going to suck on my toesies. I think I'm going to suck on toes. Yummy, yummy. Yeah. Toesy woesies. Just sucking on your toes for Daddy? Just sucking on the toes. Toe pie.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, roll over, Beethoven.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. I'm gonna get you. Sorry, booger nose.
Come on, roll over.
What's this? Nail polish. Get the nail polish. Come on.
She does it good, except for not on the camera.
Come on. What's that?
Why do you have those up?
Because we're having a pedicure at 2.
We are?
We are.
Sweet.
All 3 of us.
I don't know about her.
You want a pedicure?
Comes off so easy.
Come on. What's that? Get it.
Kira, roll. Roll over.
Come here. Come here. I'm gonna get you. Come here, monkey. Here, get the.
Oh, that's cute. Hi. Say hi to your daddy. He misses you. Look at that face. Priceless.
Pretty girl.
You gonna say something? Come and talk to him. Miss Kira. Go ah. Ah? Ah?
Get you. Gonna get you.
Ah? Miss Kira.
Yeah. What time? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay,
I'll
well,
see you in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Now.
Now? Okay, bye-bye, Daddy. We gotta get our feces done. Kiss the camera. Yeah, smile. Smile for your daddy. Smile. You're gonna smile. You're gonna smile. I'm cute. I gotta go. Love you. Bye-bye.